Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Please wait, everyone. Okay. Just I'm going to provide some information related to our course and what is our course plan. Everything I'm going to explain for the few minutes. Please wait. Whenever I'm asking you to clarify your doubts, so then only you have to ask your queries. Till that, I request everyone to please be on mute. Okay. So welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training and welcome to data structures, and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms. With can you please confirm which programming language? Hmm?
Java.
Java.
Very good.
Java, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So data structures and algorithms with Java. So do you know I'm giving code for this? DSA means data structures and algorithms with Java. So do you know this is so seventh batch, sir? Okay, seventh batch. Successfully we completed 6 batches. Okay, so 5 batches successfully we completed. Sixth batch still it is going on in the morning session. So now we are going to start data structures and algorithms with batch 7. This is the seventh batch. Okay, so there is a huge demand for this course. That's why in the evening we have started a session, sir. Okay, so coming to myself, so myself, K. Prakash Babu, having almost 15 plus years experience as a trainer. As a trainer, I have almost 15 plus years of experience. Okay. That's all about myself. No need to go in detail. In our DurgaSoft, I have 3 years of experience and handling the subjects like CoreJava, okay, advanced Java. So next and after that, core and advanced Python, then logic based programming, then data structures and algorithms with so Java and Python. These are the subjects which I am handling in our DurgaSoft for almost from the past 2 years. Okay. Next, coming to the syllabus. Okay, before moving to the actual content, I mean actual class, let us discuss about the syllabus. But before moving to the syllabus, I need to provide this course information. Okay, course details I want to provide. Sir, what about course details? The title of the course, I think just now you have seen, it is a DSA with Java and DSA Java batch 7. This is the seventh batch. Next, the fees for this batch. The fees for this batch is rupees 1500. What is the fees for this batch? Rupees 1500. Okay. Next and after that, so what is the duration? What is the duration of this course? So this duration is nothing but, do you know, it's depending on our content, sir. Okay, it is depending on our content, but please make sure that so maximum time I'm giving 2 months. Okay, maximum time I'm giving 2 months. Probably almost we are at August ending, right? Maybe September and October 2023 we will finish. So it won't take up to October ending. Maybe in the middle of the October itself we are going to finish. You can see approximately 1.5 month. Okay, so by going the holidays, all these things, approximately 1.5 month we are going to take. Sir, what about the timings of this batch? What about the timings of this batch? So at sharp 9:15, I'm going to start. 9:15 p.m. to sometimes 10:15 or sometimes 10:30. 10:30. Okay, maximum I will wind up at 10:15 itself in the initial classes. But maybe if topic demands, I have to take up to 10:30 p.m. 9:15 to 10:30 p.m. 1 hour 10 minutes. Some doubts clarification like that it will be there. Sir, probably I will close by 10:15. Maximum I will close by 10:15. Next. So what about the contacts? So if I want to get registered, to whom we need to contact? Okay. So you can contact to our office mobile numbers. I think already they have provided. If not, 72072 72072 12427. You can contact to this number, or 720, okay, 720 you can contact to this number. Okay, so this you can contact to this and get registered for this course, or even you can contact, so 9246 9246. So 212143. Fancy numbers, right? You can contact to this number, or you can drop a mail to DURGASOFT online training. DURGASOFT online training at gmail.com. At gmail.com. You can drop a mail to this DURGASOFT online training at gmail.com. So those who are willing to join into this course, you can contact to this number. Anyway, after completion of our class, our team are going to share the complete information, okay, regarding the batch details, okay, everything they will provide. So you can okay, so you can follow up to that mail and you can get registered. Okay, sir, what about demos? How many demos you are going to take? Sir, almost this week complete demos we are going to provide. Means what? Maximum up to Friday. Okay, up to Friday. So we will have um 1 2 3 4 5 demos will be there. Okay, 5 demos will be there. So after completion of these 5 demos, from 4th September onwards, our regular classes are going to be started. So again, I am repeating, in the first couple of the weeks, we are going to take the classes very slowly. Okay. In the first couple of the weeks, we are going to take the classes very slowly, because to provide support for fundamentals and all these things. Okay. So then we will slowly pick up our classes. That is very common. That is very common in our DurgaSoft, especially in my classes. Okay. First 2 weeks fundamentals are very very important. That's why I'm going to take very slowly, sir. So next and after that we can get it, sir. Next and after that, so what about content? What about content? See, very simple. We are going to share these running notes, DSA with Java batch 7 September 2023. Like that, I am going to share a folder, so where you are going to get running notes, next and after that, if any resources are there, that resources we will get. So that, like images, okay, any interview questions, like if anything is there, I will provide in that in that folder, sir. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder with name DSA with JB7 September 2023. Easy to search. Whenever you have registered this course, so our admin team are going to provide you the access for this running notes as well as videos. So running notes, I am the responsible person. Once if the class got completed, immediately I will upload the running notes. There you can see the complete information will be there. Sir, what about videos? These videos will be given for you with 6 months access. Okay, these videos are not downloadable. Just you are going to get 6 months access. 6 months access like this we are going to get. So this is nothing but the content. Whenever you got registered, immediately on the day itself, our admin team are going to provide these things. Okay, our admin team are going to provide these things. Don't worry at all, that we will see step by step. Okay. Then, sir, I request everyone, those who are attending the session, I request everyone to register for this course. Okay, because after seeing the syllabus you will get clarity, and it is more worthy, sir, more worthy with this less price. First point. Second point, you can see this fees is a matter of 3 to 4 movie tickets. Okay, so you can adjust that and you can make a payment and get registered. This is second point. Third point, in these 64 members, if you remove admin team, around 60 members will be there. The people who are in final year and those who are about to enter into pre-final year, sir, you people compulsory you have to get registered for this course. There is no way at all. Okay, so blindly make the payment and get registered. You people are going to get full-fledged content, sir. Don't worry, I'm going to provide the complete information about that. So why means, in the interviews, when you are facing the interviews, if they are asking any question, okay, so if you have a knowledge on data structure, uh, of course everyone is going to learn the programming language. Along with that, if you have a knowledge on database, whether you are a working person or you are entering into the IT field, or you want to become some kind of expert, or you need to move into the product based companies. So having the idea with, sir, please, Ashish, don't record the session, because so there is no permission for you. Okay, please don't do. Next, and after that, see, please don't disturb me while class is going on, please. So for final year and pre-final year, it is mandatory, sir, because so programming language every can able to understand. Okay, everyone can able to write the code, but applying the suitable data structure is very, 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 very important. Suppose assume I want to develop a simple software, like I have A4 sheets are there, so my notes, okay, my workouts, everything is there in that. I want to develop a small product. Just I'm not talking about software. Generally, I want to place these A4 papers, sir. I need to purchase a tray. Okay, how the tray look like? How the tray look like? So it will be like this. It will be like this. This is nothing but my A4 tray. I can able to put the papers into this. So assume this is my first paper. Okay, assume this is nothing but my first paper. This is nothing but my second paper. So this is nothing but my third paper. Like that, 3 A4 papers are there, sir. Okay, so assume this is nothing but the notes of DSA with Python. This is nothing but the notes of DSA with Java. And this is nothing but the notes of logic based programming. Like that I have. Sir, which item I inserted last? Can you please observe? That is the item that you are going to access first. Sir, can I take Java? No. Can I take a Python? No. Because on the other side, it is closed, only one side open. Maybe you heard about this. This data structure is called as what? A stack. What is a stack? What are the applications of stack? If I want to write my own code for a stack implementation, how to do that? So these things you are going to learn in this DSA with Java. This is nothing but my sincere request for everyone, those who are in the final year and pre-final year, and even for working people also, this will be benefitable. Okay. Then the students, those who are doing the research on Java, for them also, it will be useful. You are going to enjoy these classes. Next, sir, next one, what is the prerequisite for this course? Sir, I don't know a single Java program also, can I able to learn? Okay, sir, my recommendation is not correct. Okay, if you have a idea about Java, at least some 20 to 30% of Java knowledge if you have, we can bring that into a usage, sir. For example, when I am going for first time the usage of for loop, I will demonstrate. But in the entire course, wherever for loop is coming, in all the places, if I want to demonstrate, then it won't be DSA with Java, it will become Java course. Okay, that's why the people who don't know anything about Java, better to drop. Okay, Sir, I can able to manage, no problem at all. Up to certain knowledge I have means no problem. You can continue because the concept is the same, whether it is Java or Python, anything, the concept is the same, but the way of implementation, we are going to write the program, right? So I told this diagram. Sir, where is the proof? Where is the proof? If you ask, I will write a code. I am going to write some piece of code here. So how you are going to write this? This program you can write by using C, by using C++, by using JavaScript, by using Java, by using Python. You can select any programming language. But in this course, we are covering with Java. That is our intention. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. So I think you people got a very clear idea about the course details. Sir, I have not entered still into the syllabus part. I have not entered into the syllabus part, but before that, just if you have any doubt on these admin related activities, okay, you can feel free to contact. Then I will enter into the syllabus. Okay. If everything is clear for you people, just to put a confirmation message in the chat window. If you have any doubts, then you can unmute and you can speak, or you can use chat window also for communication purpose. Clear? Any doubts? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Good. Sir, will be having a class on Saturday. Very good question, Bhushan. Nilesh. Timings will be 9:15 throughout the batch. Yes. The timings will be 9:15 to 10:30 throughout this completion of the batch. Okay. These classes will be from Monday to Friday. Okay. From Monday to Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, there won't be any class, but occasionally I am going to take with the prior intimation. Okay. So with the prior intimation, we are going to take. See, our course is around 2 months, right? So how many weekends we can expect? Maybe 8 weekends, right? Among these 8 weekends, minimum 3 weekends I am going to take the class, sir. Not minimum, maximum 3 weekends I am going to take the class, because there are some concepts like linked list. Okay. Next and after that arrays. Next and after that tree data structure and graph data structures. For that continuity must be required. Okay. Only for that I am going to take the classes on weekend also, with some extra time around 2 hours, 2.5 hours, like that. That will be intimated minimum 3 days before. Minimum 3 days before I will inform you. Okay. So that will be on weekends, sir. So with the maximum same timings, or maybe 1 hour before, like that we will plan. That is in our hand. Okay. Is there any certification available for this course? No, for this certification is not there, but you can able to receive the course completion certificate. Okay. Beyond that, nothing. How we will ask doubts at a practice time? So we are going to create a WhatsApp group. I will share my number. When you are practicing the program, if you are getting any query, just you can take a pic of that and you can send it to me, and you can put a voice message. Sir, so and so doubt is there. Can you please clarify? If I am not in class, definitely I will respond, but you need to wait. Okay. Definitely I will respond. Um, are you teaching asymptotic notations in depth in call? No, no, no. In detail, we are not going to see. But how to measure that, I will explain. Don't worry. I will come up into that syllabus. Okay. Videos will be uploaded on daily basis or weekly basis. No. Videos are going to uploaded on the daily basis only. Every day. Once if the class got completed, maybe today night, or because the class is the last class, right? Maybe tomorrow morning you can expect. Just to maintain some 12 hours gap. Definitely you will get. Okay. Suppose if admin team is missing 1 or 2 days, if they are giving a leave, then maybe 1 or 2 times it may delayed, but definitely alternative will be there. I am working as a Java developer, total 4+ years of experience. Can you please let me know how this course is benefitable for me in future? See, whether you are an experienced person or whether you are a fresher, please make sure that having the knowledge in the data structure, definitely it is going to be helpful in the real time domain, sir. Okay, so you will get a clarity how you can able to implement the projects. So when we are going for a project, simply having the knowledge in the programming sector is not at all correct. So apart from that, how you are, what kind of data structure we are going to use is also very, very important. That slowly you will get clarity. Okay, where I can get the video. Once if you register for this course, we are going to provide that Google Drive. Class will compulsory start from September. Priya, already class is started. Okay, this is the day one. This is the day one. Is this course is enough for placements? 100%. So the person who are going to put the complete effort from day one to till end of the course, definitely you can mark this particular I have knowledge in the data structures and algorithms. Like that, if you keep a word in your resume weight is going to be increased like anything. If they are asking, Are, can you please tell me what knowledge you have in data structures, can you please explain with one or two topics, means there are so much of content is there. If you are very perfect, happily you can explain. Even the opposite person, the person who is taking interview, get impressed with your answers. So these kind of facilities won't be there in your college or any other person, especially I'm talking about freshers. Okay, so definitely it is an add-on feature for you, provided you should show interest. Sir, I will pay 1500 and can I get that confident, means no. So you have to practice simultaneously, your effort is more here. Okay, right. Sir, please talk about only course details. I think all your doubts got clarified. I will first explain the syllabus. Later we will have a communication, because so time is also very, very important, right? So please stop posting the questions. After syllabus, you can ask. Please keep your questions, okay? And there are some doubts. Sir, I am a BCA fifth semester. I want to join. Yeah, no problem. No problem. See, percentages and all, not at all a matter. Okay. So I have 62% is there in my BTech. Okay. But now I am taking, if you ask any program, I will write very fluently. Percentage and all, not at all a matter. How many years of experience can I claim after learning DSA? You can put minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. Gap you can full. Practice questions as of now, no, but maybe I'm planning to include at least some 2 to 3 questions for every concept in the data structure. And I am planning to give some interview questions also, especially for this batch. So in the previous batch, we are concentrating only on the syllabus. Now I have a content is there, very clear syllabus with all programs I have. So that's why I don't want to prepare. So I can give that a time for the preparation of these interview questions, and I will search some one or two programs which are related to the data structures. Maybe definitely maximum up to certain limit I will add. You can expect in the entire course some minimum 20 to 25 programs I am going to introduce purely on these data structures. Okay. Abhishek, definitely. At last also you will maintain the same thing. Do you need Java as a prerequisite for this? Yes, Prakash, compulsory. At least minimum knowledge. Will this course help in company questions like yeah, lead code, all these things somewhat advanced level, Priya. Okay. So that much content, if you want to go, first you should be strong in basics. So this is such a type of course. First, if you are becoming a strong, suppose if they are asking query on a tree data structure, you should know how to build a tree. Okay. That traversals, leaf node means what? Okay, ancestor means what, predecessor means what, successor means what. Like if you have an idea about these terminologies and writing the code, so tomorrow you can expect any question, means any question on the tree data structure, means at least you can put some effort. So that building, that basic fundas we are going to provide here. Okay. Hacker rank lead code problems, no, 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 no. We are going to have a theory and related proofs with respect to the program. Okay. Yeah, sir, I'm going to close my chat window. Please listen the syllabus what we are going to cover. Then we will go for the questions. Sir, coming to the syllabus, around 25 chapters are there. Okay, as of now, I prepared. The first chapter is nothing but we are going to see introduction to data structures, introduction to data structures and algorithms. Sir, what is mean by data structure? Why we need to go for data structure? So what kind of data structures are there? Okay, so what are the classifications? So like the entire theoretical part related to the data structures with some names. Maybe you heard about stack, queue, linked list, okay, tree, graph, that names with some what are the common things that you are going to work with, that we are going to see. Next and after that, I think you know how to prepare algorithm. For any problem statement, we can prepare algorithm. How to prepare that algorithm, how you can, how you are going to write the steps, that part we are going to cover in this first stage. And the second one, analysis. Analysis of algorithms. Algorithms like complexity analysis. Complexity analysis. Sir, I have one algorithm is there. Suppose I asked my students to prepare a program for swapping of two numbers. Okay, for swapping of two numbers, I asked, sir, I got three solutions. First student came up with one solution, second student, third student, they came up with three different solutions, but the input and output of these problems are same. Like whatever input I am giving for this, same output I am getting for the next one also. So same output I'm getting for S3. That means all these three programs are working for the same cause, but there is a difference in the coding. Among these three, which one I have to select for my coding? Definitely, you are going to calculate. It will take 1 minute to execute. It will take 2 minutes to execute. It is taking half minute to execute. Definitely, my hand will go for this one. Okay, like that, for a problem, if you have a solution, suppose consider I want to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Really, we have three solutions are there. One is a factorization. Okay, another one is nothing but reverse approach, and third one is nothing but recursion. We have around three approaches are there. Which one is going to perform efficiently? Recursion. So these two are also solutions, but time complexity wise, this is going to take less time to execute. So such a type of algorithm, how you are going to decide? For that, some measurements will be there that will be covered under analysis, like a big O notation, okay, omega notation, theta notation, like that. We have some notations are there, okay. So that part we are going to see. Someone is asking problem solving. Here only we are going to get it. How to, if any problem is coming, how you are going to analyze the problem, what are the steps that are required to solve that problem, that part will come. It is a completely theory, madam. You can expect maximum here. Next, this is nothing but introduction to our course. First two chapters will be on introduction to our course only. Then coming to the third chapter, sir, very, very important, especially the people who are having Java knowledge. Sir, I have only 20% knowledge or 30% knowledge. For them, we are going to take some sample algorithms and we are going to see the implementation, sir. Okay. Around here, we are going to see 20 programs, 20 programs. Some programs randomly I'm going to select, like prime number, factorial, Fibonacci, Tribonacci. Okay. Like that, we are going to take some programs and we will try to solve that. Okay. Where you are going to get just refreshing our Java, sir. Okay. Sir, I have already some knowledge. Just it is something like brush up. That's all. Okay. So after that, we will enter into our first data structure, which is nothing but array data structure. So our programming language, whether it may be Java or Python or C or C++, so our programming language itself is providing one data structure that is nothing but array. At very basic, we will start with array data structure only. And there are different types of arrays are there, like one dimensional, two dimensional. So we will work out on one dimensional array programs. Okay, one dimensional array programs. And we will work out on two dimensional array programs. So like two-dimensional in the sense I can say matrix. Maximum programs we are going to see on these arrays, how you are going to work with that. Next and after that, sir, do you know we can perform various operations on arrays, CRUD operations on arrays, like how to insert an object into array. So I have an array is there with the 4 elements. I want to add fifth element. How to do that? So I want to remove one element. How to do that? I want to replace one element. How to do that? I want to perform search operation. How to do that? CRUD means creation, retrieval, updation, and deletion. How you can do that on arrays? So do you know next and after that we have arrays class is there. Java people introduced one class called java.util.arrays. We are going to explore this. In this there are so many methods are there. You people are going to see after completion of this array rotations. Can I rotate the array, sir? Yes, you can rotate. Sir, please wait. Uh, Susanta Barman, please wait. Okay. Sir, array rotations means what? So I have an array is there like this. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we have. I want to rotate left side with one element. Left rotate I want to do. That means what? 2, 3, 4 will come. At last one we are going to copy. If I do right rotation, then what will happen? Sir, we are going to get 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right element we are bringing first, left element we are bringing last. How to do that? There are multiple approaches are there. Okay, we are going to see that what are the various approaches are there. Okay, so next and after that, that's all. Maximum just a refreshment of this array data structure we are going to cover here. Next and after that, string data structure. Sir, how to represent the string? So how you can able to work with the strings, and even string programs also we are going to see. So I can see programs on strings, even regular expressions also will be covered here. Sir, you can expect 50 programs on strings. You can expect 50 programs on strings. Sir, I told we are going to take some special class, right? So this is one of the first class. Okay, maybe one weekend we are going to plan. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, total 4 hours I will complete these string data structures and programs on strings. First 2 hours string. What is mean by string buffer, string tokenizer. So scp means what, heap means what, when objects will be created, regular expressions, what are the methods that are available, okay, in each and every class. So that exploration will be there. Later, on the second day, Sunday, we are going to cover 50 programs on these 2 hours. So whatever methods we covered in the string data structure, we will work with the programs. Like for example, I have a string is there, like so Java is a very easy programming language. Like this I have a string. I want to convert every word into capital letter, or I want to convert alternative words into capital letter, or I want so every word first character into capital letter, or I want to take every word first and last letter into capital letter. Okay, or I want to reverse alternative words. Okay, or I want to reverse even length words. Like that, n number of operations we are going to perform. Okay, even mobile number validation, email ID validation, like regular expressions, all these things we are going to cover on these strings. Okay, so this is nothing but the first step what we have. Sir, in these, we are going to cover So what is mean by, okay, sir, please confirm up to this. I can say this is the first part. I think everyone is having idea about this syllabus, sir, right? So all these terminologies you have seen in your Java programming, if not in any other programming. But here in detail explanation will be there. Okay. If you want, just you can see my previous class running. Have a look once. Sir, we covered some programs on arrays. Implement a program to find the sum of first and last element, second and second last element in an array. Like if your array size is 6, so first element, last element sum, second element, last second element sum, third element, last third element sum. Like that, we have to write reversing an array. How you can do that? Okay. So don't tell reversing an array means you have to print from the last index. No, you have to update the array. First, if you print the array, you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after performing reverse operation, you have to print the same array, which should print in the reverse. Okay. So next and after that, print all the elements in an array in waveform. Like if elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 1 and then 3, 2 and then 5, like that we have to print. Okay, 1 second, please wait, sir, please wait. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Yeah, sorry for the delay, sorry for the delay. Yeah, sir, now where I am covering, yeah, previous running notes, you can see. So if I am entering elements like this, I want to convert this into waveform. Waveform means what? So first smallest element, then largest, then smallest, then largest, like that you have to arrange. So for that program, like that, we are going to cover the programs on arrays. Similarly, sir, do you know, you can see almost 30 programs, matrix based programs, even how to perform the basic operations to advanced level, like how to swap, how to calculate row wise some, column wise some, how to sort the elements present in the array, okay, in ascending order, descending order. Next, and after that, how to swap two rows, how to swap two columns. So even rotation of the matrix also we are going to see. Okay, rotations somewhere that no, here it is not covered. Okay, rotations also we are going to see, like how you can rotate the array. Next, so how to read the array elements, CRUD operations. Next, and after that, if I want to perform insert in, so how to insert the element at the first location, at the last location, at the ending location. Next, and after that, how to perform update operation, various cases. Next, and after that, how to perform delete operation, what are the various cases. Like that, in detail, we are going to see about arrays, all these things. So just for your reference purpose, I have shown the previous batch running notes. This is nothing but we can say our first part of data structures. Okay, our first part, still linked list, trees, graphs, some algorithms are there. I will demonstrate. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Because my chat window is full of with questions. Sir, will you teach in memory point of view also? Yes. Memory point of view, that is not that much important, Surya, because our Java programming language itself is having good memory management skills. Because if reference variable is not there, it will delete. Once if you shut down the program, automatically it is going to destroy the object. Like that, we have good memory management is there. So but where the objects will be stored, especially in the string, I am going to cover in depth. Okay. Yeah. Sir, I have a doubt that collections and data structures are same in Java. Krishna, good point. Collections are already there in the form of API, but here we are going to implement manually. Got it? So they're ready-made methods. I can say ready-made methods, but here we will start from the scratch. Internals also will you explain? In everything you can't see in detail, but at the top level we will see wherever it required. I will concentrate. Okay, sir. Will you use Java classes or custom classes for data structures creation? Why we will use Java classes? We will create our own classes. Okay. In coding round, can we build in functions like collections, built-in methods? Yeah, you can use. Suppose if they are asking how to perform push operation on a stack, if they are asking, then you can use yes dot push. Collection method is there. If they are asking, can you please define how that push operation is internally implemented? Then you have to write the code, right? So this course is going to helpful for that. Okay, Surya. But which are used in real-time project? Everyone is going to ask this question. Okay, first you should be strong in the writing your own. For example, if you take a class, you can write your own class for a stack, and Java people provided the stack. Which one we will use in the real time? Obviously, this one only. But tomorrow, like stack is going to follow which technique? FI, yeah, LIFO technique, last in, first out. Tomorrow they are asking, so first in or some other technique like so last in, first out. But I don't want to take the last element, last before element, first out. So like that, tomorrow you need to customize the code. Is there any ready-made method for that? No, you have to write code. So for that stuff you can get it. Got it? Clear, Krishna? Any other queries? Please confirm.
Hey sir, I have sent you in chat box. I'm not sure. I do see DurgaSoft. I don't know. I couldn't get any updates for my questions from you.
Can you explain the questions like given
Yeah.
an array of size,
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
task is to, yeah, wait. And this array. Find
See,
sum of maximum element. Yeah, you can expect, sir. Okay, because in the first 2 to 3 batches I have not covered these kind of questions. Maybe you can expect here.
sure, sir. If possible,
Maybe, yeah, yeah, definitely. But I may not give surety here now today. But definitely, I'm planning to take this subarray concept for this batch. Definitely, I will include. Okay.
please try to help me
Yeah,
out
yeah,
on
sure,
this.
sure, sure, sure. See, I'm very much interested to learn the new concepts and to deliver that to the students. I will be in the first priority for that. Okay.
Yeah,
So definitely.
actually, one of my interview has asked this kind of
Yeah, yeah,
questions.
yeah.
So
I have seen these questions very frequently, sir. Definitely. I
yeah,
will cover. I will cover.
sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, right, right, right. Yeah. Sir, next. Sir, how much will you suggest compulsory time practice? And yeah, I will give that guidance, Priya. Don't worry. This course is useful to create our own logics. Sandeep, if you cover this total DSA with Java, see, try to maintain a notebook, sir. Okay, purchase one A4 bundle. So purchase one paper and a pen, I mean one pen with the 2 or 3 colors. Okay. So daily just keep one rough notebook. Whatever I am telling, if any diagrams are coming, just simultaneously practice. Spend 1 hour, that's all. So after completion of the class, anyway, Saturday and Sunday, I'm not going to take the class, right? So open my running notes. So if any topic is unable to understand, just to practice, try to maintain a clear notebook with shortcuts and program logics, all these things. When you are going for the interview, just refer that. Even not for interview. Suppose if you are a working person, maybe sometimes if you are unable to write the logic, business logic, if you are unable to write, just you can recall whenever you have a time, just to keep on refreshing that notes, sir. Definitely you people are going to get something into your brain. That assurance I can give. Okay. Dayakar, please have these questions in your desktop. Definitely we will. Okay.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Mhm. And whenever you are getting any new problem or whenever you are seeing a new concept related to the DSA, just you can feel free to submit to me. Definitely, if it is in my hand, I will provide support on that. Okay, I will add that into our syllabus. Next, let us go for the continuation, sir. This is just basics up to this, whatever I covered. Sir, next we are going to see. Next, we are going to see very, very important like recursion and applications of recursion. Recursion and applications of recursion. Very, very important, sir. How to find out permutations, how to find out the combinations, what kind of programs are required for the recursion. Suppose if I have a big problem is there, then you can solve that problem very simply by using recursion. So how to solve? What kind of problems will comes under recursion category? So how you can decide whether that problem can be solved by using recursion or not? Like in depth we are going to see. And around some 10 to 15 programs I am going to explain on the recursion. And the continuation for this. So there is one topic is there called backtracking. Backtracking. Okay. So in the backtracking, as of now, in my previous batches, I explained 2 examples like n queens problem. Okay, n queens problem. So next and after that Sudoku problem. These two I am covering for the previous 2 batches. I mean previous batches. Maybe for this batch I am planning to add one more application. How the backtracking is going to work. In everywhere we are using backtracking. So tomorrow I am going to explain what is backtracking, for what kind of applications backtrack. Yeah. So there is a power issue. Can you please confirm, am I audible now? Is my voice is clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Good, good. Now, so backtracking, how you can work with this backtracking based applications also we are going to discuss next. And after that, sir, do you know there are some algorithms are there, like do you know sorting techniques? Okay, so sorting method, the different types of sorting methods, like we have selection sort, so bubble sort, so insertion sort, next. And after that, a radix sort, okay, counting sort. Like this we have different kind of sorting techniques are there that we are going to see. Sir, even do you know divide and conquer based applications also there? So as a part of that, we are going to see quick sort, merge sort. Okay. Next, and after that, binary search, binary search. These are things we will cover. Next, a different kind of searching algorithms. So these three chapters are related to sorting and searching. So how you can able to sort for the data, how you can able to perform search operation, we are going to see. So after this, next and after that, we are going to talk about bit manipulations. Bit manipulations. Okay, like do you know it is something related to the bitwise operators, sir? Okay, so bitwise operators are going to work a bit fast when compared with other operators, because you know directly bitwise operators are going to deal with binary numbers. So that's why these operators are going to work a bit very fast. That we will see what kind of applications we can develop by using these bit manipulations. Next, and after that, so we are going to see dynamic programming. Okay, dynamic programming, these are the algorithms. So here I'm not going to cover that, I'm not giving in detail explanation. In the chapters we will see. Okay, then even greedy algorithms are there, a beautiful concept, real time examples we can see. Greedy algorithms, how you can apply. Okay, so next, and after that, sir, we are going to see linked list. Very, 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 very important. So linked list data structure. Okay. Sir, trust me, no one is going to explain linked list in a beautiful manner how we are going to take. Okay. So linked list, you can see. So what are the different types of operations? We have single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. We are going to see almost how many operations? 25 operations we are going to implement on linked list. Coming to the insertion, deletion, okay, sorted insertion, insertion at various places, display operation, reversing the linked list, removing the duplicates, copy operation, nth node from the beginning. So like multiple operations we are going to cover. You can see. Okay, a big program you are going to get. So how to work with that? With the help of examples, we are going to provide. If you want, just maybe images are there for the linked list. Maybe see, whenever I'm explaining the topic, sometimes you can see this is a linked list. Okay, so sometimes you can expect these kind of things, sir. Have a look once how to insert the node. I'm going to explain like the diagrams meanwhile. Okay, I'm going to provide that screenshots for you. This is something like a recursion, how to find out the subsets, how much simple code. If you are giving any string like this, it will return all the subsets of the string. And this is related to the string where SCPs, heap, memory area, like that. So for every topic, you can expect diagrams also like this. Okay. Next, and after that, we are going to see stack data structure. Okay, stack data structure. Next, and after that, we are going to see queue data structure. Next, and after that, we are going to see hash table. Okay, so hash table data structure. So next, and after that, we are going to see what is mean by hashing. Before that, we are going to see tree data structure. Okay, so next, and after that, we are going to see PQ, priority queue. So this is also called as heaps. So next and after that hashing we are going to cover, and next and after that graph data structure. Okay, and I am promising for this minimum I will give 100 interview questions with answers. 100 interview questions I am going to prepare. I started preparing yesterday itself, so I will provide topic wise. Once if the topic is completed, we will discuss, and then that PDF document I will share at the end. This is nothing but the syllabus what we are going to cover for this 2 months. Don't ask, sir, is it going to be finished within 2 months? Definitely. So I'm promising on the day one itself, but don't ask me. So for the string data structure, we are going to take 1 weekend. And for this linked list data structure, I'm going to take 1 weekend. And this data structure and priority queue, I'm going to take so 1 weekend. Total 3 weekends we are going to take. Okay, so that is compulsory, sir. But I will inform you when it will be, not at every weekend. Maybe alternatively, I will plan. That will be intimated to you in advance. Now, that's all about the syllabus what we are going to cover, sir. Any doubts, friends, up to this, whatever I covered, please confirm. Ramesh, really, you have very unique course. Definitely. You people will satisfy at the end. Okay.
So, I have one question. Like, will you going to like correlated with the real-time examples also, right? Like a static. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Please go on.
Yeah. What is your query?
Yeah, like a stack has been used at the time of Google search engine. Like it will.
We will give that names, sir. Okay. But
Mhm.
we can't implement, right?
And yeah. I mean,
I will list out.
yeah.
I will list out all the data structures where we are using. That
Right.
list at very beginning itself, I will provide. If possible to implement that application, we will do that.
Sure, got it.
Are you getting?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At
thank
the
you.
top level, we may not see the practical
Right.
result,
It's not
but
possible.
internally how it is working, we will definitely.
Got it. Yeah, that was my.
Mm,
Thank you.
right, sir. Can we download the running notes and then videos? Videos you can't. Running notes you can. Running notes lifetime validity. Videos only 6 months. Sir, I know the basics of Java, but not Java. Oops. No worry. It won't affect anything. So we are going to use OOPS concepts. Sir, Java basics is sufficient. Object-oriented principles not at all required. Please try to underline. To implement the data structures, object-oriented programming is not required. Maybe at the time of linked list I may use. At the time of trees and graphs I may use. At the time I will explain what is a class, what is object, so what is constructor, is method. This knowledge is, got it? Yeah, right, sir. I think all your doubts got clarified, right? So one more thing, in these demo sessions, I want to start from the beginning, because if I start from the theory concept, I know you people want to show interest. That's why the theory topics I will start on, I told, right? So our regular classes, whenever it is going to be started, on that day, I will start our actual course. Like 4th September onwards, we will start from the first chapter. Okay, theory, all these things, step by step, we will cover. Meanwhile, sir, what you are going to do? I will start in the middle. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to explain what is backtracking. So how this n queens problem, Sudoku problem is going to come. I want to provide a solution. Just I will give interest for you to attend the class. Okay. So next on other day, I'm going to explain one sorting method. Okay. On other day, I'm going to explain what are the different kind of searching algorithms. Okay, next one day I'm going to explain array related one operation. So on one day array rotations. Okay, one string program. So one queue data structure application. Like that randomly I will pick some topics and I will explain. Parallelly, I'm going to start third chapter. Tomorrow I will start third chapter. So in the third chapter, you can see how many questions are there, 20 programs. We are going to finish this third chapter in this week. So where you are going to get the basics of Java, at the same time, parallelly, we are going to cover the rest of the topics normally. Okay. So just like a demo. Then I will start from the first chapter, second chapter, third chapter I covered, right? I won't touch that. Then immediately we will start array concepts like that. Got it? Sir, is my action plan is clear for you people?
Sir,
Is it clear?
yeah, it's clear only. One more thing, like a brute force technique, I don't see it.
Brute force is nothing but a kind of algorithm, sir. We are going to see in array rotations.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Maximum, that's all, because it is a beautiful application, but you can expect only one area where we are going to use that brute force technique is nothing but in the array rotation.
Okay, that we're going to cover in this topic.
Yeah. In
Okay.
the topic, only one small technique, sir. That's all that we are going to
Yeah,
cover.
right. Yeah. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Hello, sir. I have 5 years of experience. It will be helpful for me this course. Array, already I'm telling, just to pay 1,500 and get registered. So every day, whenever you have time, just to watch these classes, you people are going to get some new concept. Trust me. If you are having a doubt, attend this 1 week class and take the decision on Saturday, and then get registered on Sunday. Got it? Definitely, it will be helpful for everyone. Right, guys? See you on the tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we will start explaining the first thing, that is a backtracking, how it is going to work. With some examples I will show you, not program, just at the top level. What is backtracking I will explain. Parallelly, I'm going to start the third chapter, just you can refresh your Java knowledge here. Okay, this 1 week we will have a fun with Java programming. Parallelly, what is this data structure, what things we are going to cover in our syllabus, these two things will be running parallelly in this week, sir. Okay, right, guys? Thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow, same link, same time. Thank you. Bye.